Now we are moving to the second last topic, that's a topic number 21, satellite cells and muscle regeneration, the role of stem cells in muscle repair. You have seen how resistance training transforms your muscle fibers, but what if we told you there is a hidden army of muscle stem cells working behind the scene to rebuild and grow your muscles stronger every workout? In today's session, we will discuss the incredible role of satellite cells, your body's muscle stem cells, in muscle repair and regeneration. Let's explore how these cells help you recover and grow stronger after each workout. Satellite cells are a type of stem cells located on the surface of muscle fibers, playing a critical role in muscle regeneration and repair. When muscles are subjected to stress, such as during intense resistance training or injury, these cells become activated to repair damaged muscle tissues and promote muscle growth. Under normal conditions, satellite cells remain dormant. However, when muscle fibers experience damage, such as micro tears caused by exercise, satellite cells are stimulated to enter an active state. They then proliferate, multiply, and differentiate into muscle cells, fusing with existing muscle fibers to either repair the damage or contribute to muscle hypertrophic growth. This process is vital for maintaining muscle integrity and enabling recovery after intense physical activity. At the biochemical level, the activation of satellite cells is regulated by several factors, including mechanical tension, the physical stress on muscle during exercise, growth factors such as IGF-1 and AGH and HGF, and inflammatory signals that are released during muscle damage. These signals activate the mTOR pathway, a key regulator of muscle protein synthesis, which drives the process of muscle repair and growth. Additionally, satellite cells contribute to the formation of new muscle fibers during period of muscle hypertrophy. This helps increase muscle mass and strength over time, especially with consistent resistance training. As we age or experience chronic overtraining, the number and activity of satellite cells may decrease, slowly down the repair process and leading to muscle loss.